Hello and welcome once again, my dear friends. Today we are going to show you how to make wraps. Not lyrical wraps, but food wraps. You know, the tortilla and stuff. Wraps. So, what you're going to need is at least one wrap. A pan, and put some sunflower oil in it. You're also going to need salad. Maybe different kinds of salad. Or maybe just salad. Yeah, salad. You need salad. Then you're going to need paprika. That's the red thing over there. Yeah. You're also going to need cucumber slices. Yeah. You might want to make them smaller, but cucumber. Yeah. Also, use tomatoes. And onions. And cheese. Whatever kind of cheese you like. You can also add other things. Like, I like to use my yellow moruga scorpion powder. You also might want to use some olives. But the most important thing is, since it's a chicken wrap, you're going to need chicken. That's the disgusting stuff right here. Dead birds. Dead bird meat. Yeah. Okay? So, go on, wife. Do something. First, you're going to apply some pepper onto the meat. Is it pepper? Yeah, pepper. Or whatever spice you like. Put it on there. Come on. More pepper. Lettuce in. Vegetables and cheese. Pepper. A pan with a tea in it and oil. Let's spread that oil, shall we? Oh, you also might want to apply some salt. So much oil. Seems like it's a bit too much oil. Use less oil. Come on, remove the oil. So disgusting. Sunflower blood. Just like this. So, a very boring day, once again. But food's always good. Now, insert the meat into the pan. Come on, insert it. Yeah, and now spread the meat and cook it. Cook it like Beckham. Ramsey. Okay? Yeah. By the way, you can use whatever you want in your wrap. It's just about the wrap. About that thing right here. Yeah, cook that meat. Let's cook that dead bird, shall we? Yeah, come on. Come on. And the most important thing will be the rolling technique of that wrap. Okay, what am I doing? Is that right? I don't know. Okay. Don't toast it yet. Wait a bit. Cook each piece. Every single one of them has to be cooked just right. Just right. Olive. Just right. Okay. Cook the meat until it's golden. Or kind of golden. Looks golden to me. And this method, so you just put the cheese on there. This method is just very fast and efficient, so you can do whatever you want with your cheese, but that technique seems to work, so yeah. Yeah. Don't blame me, I'm just eating and filming, so yeah. Wait until the cheese melts. So it's all about the cheese melting. It's all about melting the cheese. What the hell? I can't see a thing. Okay, Now you're going to toast the wrap. Activate the toaster. Come on. This looks very, very professional. Extremely. Still not molten enough. Now the cheese looks molten. So as I told you, it's all about melting the damn cheese. Now get that wrap out of the toaster. Okay, now that you've got your wrap and you rescued it out of the toaster, what am I talking? I don't know. You apply some salad onto the tortilla bread. Cucumbers, add some cucumbers, come on. Until all pieces fit. And I know the pieces fit. Okay, and now some onions and paprika. Yeah, looks awesome. Maybe an olive or two. And now you get your cheese meat out of the pan. Apply the cheese meat onto the rest of the pile. Maybe one more piece. Yeah, awesome. Now the pieces fit, except for this one. And now on to the important part. Okay, still not the important part. Add Tabasco or a hot sauce or whatever you want. Add some Tabasco. Yeah. Now add another sauce. Whatever you like. I don't know what this is, but it's red. Add red sauce. Red sauces are always good. And now add the very hot stuff. In this case, Trinidad Maruga scorpion powder. Yellow. Because it's good, you know. That should do. Nice. Gloves? What's wrong with you? Now, the rolling of the wrap. This is the part, the important part. The part why you're watching the video, probably. So, if you're used to rolling things, whatever things, you shouldn't have any problems at all. So, this is a very efficient technique. So you just roll it into a big pile thing, just like this, looks like a bag, and then you cut it. So you divide them by 2. No, you divide the bag by 2. That's what I wanted to say. And now, look at those tiny little wraps. Aren't they lovely? So lovely. And that's how you make a wrap. And now, excuse me, I'm hungry. Okay, no, see you in the next episode of Cooking with Bright Cider. Bye, lady.